space to have our sew line, right? So we're going to kind of get our idea of how we want to form this. Maybe about that wide.
Okay.
So we're going to start there. Alright, let's do this. Go ahead and trace a line there. Just drag it all the way down, you don't need to scribble. So we're going to have one piece that folds down and over, right? That'll form our little flap that we cut. What we want to do is kind of mark it right here. And we're going to take and snip it out there. Go to start tracing. Rinse that paper. Up. Take it straight over. There you go. Okay. Piece right there. Draw a line. There you go. Now it's got to be long enough that it'll come down and we can sew it, and then come down and we can sew it. See that?
Mm-hmm.
So mark that line right there. All right. Good. That's how wide we want it. Roughly.
The middle of that.
Bird on a tree.
Use as much leather as you can.
I'm just sitting here.
Take it across.
I got time. It's clear to see.
And then get that bottom.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.
I'm going to attach a little clip to it so that it can clip it to his belt loop or something instead of worrying about putting it through itself. So what we're going to do is take
the great outdoor,
our width pattern,
forever
just do a quick cut.
Step back,
dump that all the way in there.
To see the truth around you.
Pull it out.
From a distance you can tell.
Did it set on there? Start with the bottom edge.
Meant to be.
Good job.
In the great outdoors. Forever free. You and me.
Yeah.
Meant to be. In the great outdoors.
Back and forth. That helps form that shape.
Forever free.
Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to sit just like this. Alright, let's pull these clamps off. Okay, so we got our leather. Let's going to be like that, and that'll slide right into that. I'm going to be able to fold it over and snap it, right? And draw that line right down there. That'll go right angle to it. Okay. And draw down that line. Alright. I'm going to be putting my fingers kind of close. If you're not careful, you end up slicing your fingers. You don't want that to happen. So slice off this extra. Yep, go ahead. Keep going.
Making the table bounce.
Alright, there's our little groove in it, right? There you go. Alright. So good. That'll work. Go ahead and do that. A little bit more there on the corner. A little bit more. There we go. We got a cut off there. Okay, I just take a little bit. Go and circle it around. You don't need to dab it, but you want to kind of circle it. Too much on it. It'll take forever to dry. Maybe forever.
You might want to dab this one first.
Dab them both. Okay. Sides. Try not to get it on your clothes or stay for do not deal. It's not done with that. Okay, that's good. Go ahead and set that on this one. I'll get it dabbed off. Do that last little piece. You're gonna look like a Smurf when we're done.
It's a Smurf.
One of those
With blue fingers and everything.
blue forest-dwelling creatures that you've never, yeah, you don't know what I'm talking about. You're not a 90s child. We got to go all the way through. Okay, you're good, you're good. You're going to cut it in half. Okay, good. See that? You just want to go so it's through. We don't need to go any more than that. So that's two of those. Now we got to figure out where we want to sew it onto this. Okay. So when we take our piece and fold it over, stick this in here. Gotta get it in the holster. Hold that over. Where do you think our little buckle needs to go?
I'm so glad we met again.
Like right there?
Thank you, Daddy. It's been
No,
we
don't
didn't
worry.
camp at all
There you
in
go.
September. I wanted to go every weekend.
Okay, go ahead.
I have stuff almost every
A
week.
little more. There you go. Good job. Because we're going to have a pin right in the corner. So we'll go right below it. Go ahead. Go a little more. Okay.
Camping. And all those spots.
Wait. I want to take, and we're going to put this one in here. Kind of hold it into place. Go ahead and tap it down. Okay. That's going to hold our spot, right? Okay, go ahead. Okay.
Oh, I don't know. A little random, isn't it?
Leaves us room for our wheels. See how cool that looks? Okay, now we're going to be putting our rivet in each corner, but we do want to sew up and around this, right? So we still need to take and do our stuff around this. Here. Now to go around the round, we're going to use this one. Got that one? one more. Okay, so that's what we'll sew. We need one more right here so that it's the same. Okay. Okay, so you're going to grab your needles.
I wasn't getting any reds.
And you're going to go through
Otherwise I would
one way,
pick them up.
pull it through.
And use the other
Use
one?
this one to go through that way. Here, wait, you got to make sure they're the same length. See this? You pulled way too much through. There we go. So take this one, and go through that same hole.
Perfect, huh? Perfect.
Go through the same hole.
No way.
Good job. Now you pull your thread,
Any treasures?
pull it tight, and then you go through the next one, just like that.
The same one.
Yep, we're good. Now that you've got that first one done, it'll be all right. So now we take our next one, we go through that next one. You take that one, go through that same hole the other direction. Good job. Pull it through. Here, you're hooked around it. There you go. Pull it tight. Through that direction. There you go. Pull it through. And then put this one through the other direction. There you go. Poke yourself
Bit.
a little bit.
Finally got a car to get here. Test it.
Finish this off. So you went through that last one, right?
Look how close this
So
is.
what we're going to do is we're going to push back through that last one. But we're going to tie a little knot in this string. So once that goes back through there, go through the loop, go through this loop, and tie a knot. And then we just trim it off, and then we'll take and melt the rest of that. So hold it underneath that. There you go. See that melted? Okay, we're gonna do this one next. Try to do it without the wind blowing it out, huh? Okay, no, this side, right there. Oh no, you weren't quick enough. All right. Okay. One more thing here. We're gonna go all the way through. Kind of level it out, right? So those are even. The hard part is getting through all three layers, because you got to go through all three of these layers. There we go. See that? Sorry. Thank you. Now to finish this one off, what we're going to do is we're going to go back up through in between so that it hides our knot right in there. So Declan, now that I pulled both of those through, we're going to do a couple overhand knots.
It does.
Overhand knots?
So here, go ahead and tie a knot.
I don't have to
Just an overhand knot, just like you're starting to tie your shoes. Just like you're starting to tie your shoes. So over and through, just like that. And then pull that one super tight. Pull it tight. Okay. And then tie one more of those.
Tighten it so.
Yep. And go ahead and tighten it up. Yep. Hold it good and tight. There you go. Okay, so we've got our hole punch. We've got a hole marked there. So now we're going to pull this back apart. Okay, go ahead and punch a hole right on that spot we marked. Alright, got her? Okay, good job. So we put that one through there. Go ahead and stick that button on there. Okay, good job. Again. Again. Okay, let's see there. So we'll get there. See, that one's going to come over. So we need to get our top snap in. So we put that piece on. And then we're going to take this piece, press it on there. And it's got a little, kind of a little tube on the inside of there that we're going to spread out using this little punch. So we're going to flip that over so it's on the flat side. We're going to hold that into the center there. 1, 2, 3. That look good?
Yeah.
Alright, so that snaps on there. So that's when we put them both together, that snap's going to come over and snap into place, right? This is called a saddle stitch.
Saddle stitch? Do you like use this way for saddles?
I honestly don't know where the name comes from. We'll have to look it up, won't we? I'll bet it came from using it to stitch up things on saddles, like bridles or reins or stuff, but I don't know. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your needle, and you're going to go back one, but you're going to go up through the middle.
Okay.
So open it up just a little bit. You're going to go right in there. And go up through there. Pull it up there. Pull that one in. Okay, now do that with the same side. Do this other side here. Do that same thing. And now we're done with this needle. So what you're going to do is you're going to take, go up, open it up a little bit. Get it? There. So in here. Up there. Okay. Now you got both of those through, go ahead and tie 2 overhand knots in there. Right there. Go all the way through both layers.
Again.
I think we did.
You only got one layer. There you go.
Okay. See both layers there. One more there.
One.
Nope, you got them both.
You did the first one.
Okay.
Good.
And we're going to put the top piece on, just like that. Get that on our flat all there, and then we're going to use this one And go ahead and hammer away. A little bit more. Okay, everything that's in there good? Okay, do the other one. Feed that through. Put them together. Alright, here we go. Put that one plug in there. Solid?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll put your Leatherman in there. See how it worked out. And then you got your little hook that you can hook it onto something.